Namaste. So today's our topic is diuretic. They generally cause natriuresis and water removal. This lead to removal of fluid from the body leading to reduction of volume of blood plus other ECF component which are reduction of overload, reduction of pulmonary congestion, or we can say it as dyspnea, peripheral congestion, we can say that peripheral edema plus overload. So next is high ceiling diuretic. High ceiling diuretic are furosemide and bumetanide. So high ceiling diuretic act principally on the ascending lymph loop of Henle. They are high potency diuretic and are effective even when there is renal insufficiency. IV furosemide promotelly increase systemic venous capacitance and produce rapid symptomatic relief in acute left ventricular failure. Adverse effect of high ceiling diuretic is acute fluid loss, hypotension, hypokalemia, hypomagnesemia, hyperuricemia, and octotoxicity. Dose of furosemide is 20 to 80 mg tablet orally is taken. Next diuretic is thiazide, hydrochlorothiazide. So it acts principally on the early distal tubule of the nephron and are of moderate potency. Thiazide diuretic come ineffective in or inefficient in the presence of renal insufficiency. So thiazide diuretic do not give to the patient who are suffering from renal insufficiency. Thiazide, however, cannot be used when there is GFR and the GFR is greater than 50 ml per minute. So its adverse effect is hyperkalemia, metabolic defect, volume depletion, hypersensitivity reaction, and the dose given is hydrochlorothiazide, which is 25 to 100 mg per day. Next is angiotensin antagonist. So aldosterone antagonist, sorry. So in aldosterone antagonist, it is spironolactone or eplerenol. So in eplerenone, these enhance diuresis by promoting sodium and water excretion while retenting potassium and prevents myocardial as well as vascular fibrosis, which is responsible for pathological remodeling of the heart. Adverse effect: hyperkalemia is a major risk during the therapy and requires serum K positive monitoring. Gynecomastia may occur in the male patient after long term use. The dose which is given of the aldosterone antagonist is 25 to 50 mg once orally. So here we have completed the diuretic in the short. Hope you will understand what is diuretic. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.